Hi guys, welcome to the channel. So here we are with a little Mini R56 brought over from the UK. It's now in Spain and I have to change the headlights. So they're xenon headlights, but they're not switchable. So I can't use them over here because they're right-hand drive. So I've just managed to find myself a set of left-hand drive ones. Not an easy find. Got them for 350 quid. That's in euros, because brand new they was coming out over 1,000 euros. So we're going to pop the bonnet and get these lights out. First off, I'm going to disconnect the battery. For that, I've got a 10mm socket. This just lifts up, lift it from the front, and it pops out. So disconnect the negative. That's pretty loose already, so that's good. Obviously, because it's an electrical job, always better to be safe, especially with these headlights. So we'll go for this side first. So as we can see, you got 4 bolts, 2 at the top, 1 to the side. Okay, so there should have been 1 in there. This side has it, so you can see 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so I need to get myself an extra bolt for this one, but for today's exercise that's fine. So it would be 4 bolts, so I'm going to loosen them off. Probably need my extension maybe. Well, I would have done if that one was there, but I can use this one for the rest of them. So let's just slacken these off. Might be an idea to mark the headlight actually, just to make sure that the new one goes in the same space. So I might just use a bit of tape, mark it there, across the back there, the front. I guess it doesn't really overly matter. You can adjust it afterwards, but just being a little bit over the top. So yeah, there's my 3 bolts, 10mm ratchet, then there's the extension. So the short one goes at the back, at the top here. The rest of them are long. Then you've got your electrical connector. Just squeeze that top and bottom. Trying to do it one hand. Let's squeeze around this side. Quite stiff. There we go. Okay, so now there should be a screen wash. So let's have a little look. Right, so you can see it just in front of my finger. And again, there's a little pipe we need to squeeze on that to release it. So you lift it up and then forward. Right, so I'm going to need 2 hands for this. Okay, there you go, you can see it. So all you do is just push in with that, pull it off, and you're going to get a tiny little bit of water. So if, like me, you bought headlights and they didn't have the screen wash on, I'm going to have to unbolt that. So let's go and have a look. You need a T20 to get this undone. And then you can transfer it to your new lights. Probably a good job I stuck to original lights. If some of the aftermarket ones, I don't know how this would have worked, but hopefully just the 2 bolts. Maybe there's something else, because obviously you've got this bit at the front. Right, I'll have a little look. Okay, yeah, it just lifts up, but there is a little locator at the back, just there, which goes in there. So pull it forward, and then that comes out. That comes out nice and easy. Okay, so my lights don't have indicator bulbs, so to access them, go through the hatch. And then just inside, you can see that bit. Turn that anti-clockwise, and there's your bulb. So, oh, that looks quite new actually. So I think I'll put that in the new lights. So keep hold of that, and that's the old cap stick this one in there. So it does line up, you can see by the shape, and see if we actually get them working. So reinstalled in the headlight, just click in the jet wash pipe, position the headlamp in place, and what I'm going to do is just test it first to make sure it's all good. So get the electrical cable, click that in place, reconnect the battery temporary, that's back on. Okay, so let's check, see if the lights are working. Yeah, that one's good. That one's good. So now we can reposition the lights, and that'll be job done for the install for the headlights. So I've now got left-hand drive headlights ready for my matriculation in Spain. Okay, thanks for watching. Please subscribe, like and share. Many thanks.